what are you expecting from the film? काफी अच्छा buzz है अभी से people are waiting. So what are you expecting?
I think I'm expecting it to be, I think, one of the films of the year because it's directed by one of my favorite directors, Vishal Bhardwaj, जिन्होंने ओमकारा बनाई है. And I think that people are expecting that क्योंकि they are very excited क्योंकि Saif was so good in Omkara. Langda Tyagi is one of Saif's iconic roles. And I think Rusi, his character in this film is going to be very, very striking क्योंकि पहली बार he's playing a Parsi film producer himself. So we're very excited and this film is very emotional for me क्योंकि Sajid Narewala की film है. Karishma did Judwa with him and I did Kambak Tishk. I normally don't come for trials. In fact, Saif told me, I'm quite surprised you're going. I said, I have to go because it's, you, Vishal and Sajid.
सैफ का निगेटिव रोल है तो क्या कहना चाहिए ओमकारा के बाद निगेटिव रोल्स कर रहे हैं
I think Vishal Bhardwaj की फिल्म में I think the negative character is very striking, most of the time. हालांकि I think that there are 3 stellar actors in this film. Brilliant actors, Kangana, Shahid and Saif. I think all 3 are going to be, I like the competition, there should be competition with, तीनों में competition रहना चाहिए क्योंकि उसी के वजह से then they'll all give their best and I expect nothing less from 3 of, I think they're the best performers in the industry today, all 3.
गाने का बज़ बहुत है तो कौन सा गाना आपका फेवरेट था?
Well, I think all the songs are really nice. Bloody Hell is very popular. I think this film, Vishal की फिल्म में, I think गाने की हमेशा is not what people talk about. I think they talk about the fact that it's such a deep story, such an amazing story, great performances, great screenplay.
Yeah, अभी तक जो लग रहा है it's a love triangle kind of a thing. So who do you think will win Kangana in the end, Saif or Nail?
Now that I know the story because I know the script, but y'all don't. So we'll have to wait for that now because that is something that the audience has to see.
How is the wedding going?
Well, we are starting the film in May, so let's see. I'm very excited. It's going to be an amazing story. It's about 4 women. Normally hero heroine होती है फिल्म में, but I think the first time that it's a story about 4 different women. So I think it'll be quite exciting to do.
Thank you. So अभी तक किसी ने फिल्म देखी है क्या रिस्पॉन्स आपको कुछ बोला है कुछ बताना चाहेंगे about the movie?
अभी तो हम लोगों ने देखी है and we are very proud of what we have done. So that's why we want to share with our friends and in the industry and we are very very happy and proud about it.
Sir, did you see the trailer?
जी
How was it?
ट्रेलर ऑफ
ट्रेलर देखा आपने?
अरे नहीं तो हम वी वर इन प्रोसेस ऑफ एवरीथिंग एंड 1.5-2 साल से पिक्चर जी इन्होंने तो 7 साल से जी मुझे 2 साल हुआ एंड फाइनली द डेज कम 4 दिन बैलेंस अभी पहले दिन अभी पहले आई थिंक सो करीना इज द फर्स्ट पर्सन हुज
Yeah, she is the first person from outside our
फिल्म को लेके काफी बuzz है ऑलरेडी पीपल आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इट सो इज इट हेल्पिंग द फिल्म लाइक डू यू थिंक बिल्डअप हो रहा है काफी अच्छे से रिलीज के पहले
आई थिंक और बिल्डअप होना चाहिए और जितना हो बिल्डअप वो हमें कम है
कौन कौन एक्सपेक्टेड है आज बहुत सारे फिल्म एक्सपेक्टेड है
नहीं आज सिर्फ करीना है
ओके
देन कल से वी आर स्टार्टेड शोइंग एवरीबॉडी
ओके ऑलमोस्ट
सैफ इज इन दिल्ली
राइट
एंड कंगना इज इन दिल्ली वो आज वो वॉकथॉन है उसके लिए दे है सो दिल स्टार्ट कमिंग फ्रॉम टुमारो
क्या कहना चाहेंगे फिल्म को लेके काफी अच्छा बuzz है पीपल आर वेटिंग फॉर द मूवी नाउ इट्स रिलीजिंग सो हाउ द लाइक आर यू कैसे लग रहा है आपको मूवी फाइनली रिलीज हो गई
See, first of all, this is the sort of movie which will be sitting very proudly on the body of work that Viacom has done. The kind of films that we have done have always stood for something different. I think you can already see that in the film. There is a sense of anticipation, and there is a sense of a credible, high-quality film. And I think as a studio, we are very proud that we are here. I think in the next 4 or 5 days there will be a lot more excitement rolling out. We have just put out some extended look as well in the media, which gives you a better feel of what the film is. And all the 3 characters, they have their own journeys, they have their own story. And it's a very epic background. In India we don't make films with that kind of a backdrop. World War II, when we are ourselves going with 2 very major philosophies. One was Gandhi's and the other was Bose's. So I think you can't get better canvas to tell a story which is a very exotic story like this. So we are very excited as a studio to have such a film, and the journey is now 5 days from release. So I'm very excited. Yes.
वाईकॉम के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा साल है. I think Padmavat is also coming out by the end of the year. So what can we expect from that? What else can we expect?
जी बिल्कुल. तो अच्छा साल रहा है और यही कोशिश है कि एक इस तरह की कॉम्बिनेशन रहे स्लेट में कि बिल्कुल अलग अलग तरह की अलग अलग किस्म की फिल्म आए. किसी में मनोरंजन एक रियलिस्टिक ट्रीटमेंट के ज़रिए होगा, तो किसी में एक मैग्नम ओपस के ज़रिए होगा. तो ये अलग अलग रंग हैं और सभी रंगों को मिलाकर एक जो कुल मिलाकर तस्वीर बननी चाहिए, वो एक इंटरेस्टिंग तस्वीर बननी चाहिए. बिकॉज सिनेमा का ये जिम्मा है कि कुछ नया करे, कुछ डिफरेंट करे. तो वही कोशिश है. सो लेट्स सी हाउ दिस वर्क्स आउट.
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू.
Now, what do you want to say about Ramgod? आपने ट्रेलर देखा, कैसा लगा? What do you expect people to
I'm बहुत excited हूँ देखने के लिए. I love the trailer. I love Vishal Bhardwaj's films. I've loved the last time Saif and Vishal worked together in Omkara. And the chemistry looks amazing. The songs are superb. So I'm hoping to see a very nice film.